least we've got some color on the van on the outside now. This is only the driver's side, and shortly the video for the passenger side will be posted. Hope you enjoyed this. And then down in the description there's a link if you want to watch the whole process. It's fast forwarded to 17 minutes. Took about 2.5 hours, but there's a 17-minute video of the whole process of the driver's side painting. So if you're interested, click on the link below. Enjoy that, and yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please click the like button and subscribe to see more videos. So yeah, the next video will be passenger side. Cheers for now.